In today's video, it's not a how-to or anything useful to anyone. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is not really going to be helpful to anyone. Maybe some basic information, some steering wheel information, I guess, for those who own E90 and similar cars. Apparently in 2024, COVID is still the thing. It's still an active virus. People still get sick. It was not a good week, I should say, at least. In today's video, I'm going to just show you a few things, I guess, and I'm just doing this to keep myself occupied a little bit. What I'm going to share with you all today is so after I swapped my transmission from automatic to manual, I had to switch the steering wheel. I had the steering wheel with those paddle shifter things, and naturally, since I don't have the automatic shifter anymore, then I didn't want to have those paddles, so I sold that steering wheel. It was actually a nice steering wheel. Not that I regret selling it, just like I didn't have any use for it. And I got this basic steering wheel to replace that one with. This one is, I think it's been reupholstered, and it's a basic steering wheel. And the reason I got this one, the reason was I liked how it didn't have any controls here, like minimalistic design, I guess. It's just the steering wheel itself. I came across this and it looked good to me. It's a manual, I guess, transmission steering wheel. No paddle shifters or anything. This is an extremely basic shape, as you can see. This is there's nothing here. It's just around a donut, basically. It feels a little bit thick. Some people like it this way. This leather is really, I mean, it's brand new, I guess, because like I said, the steering wheel has been reupholstered. I'm not sure if I like it 100%, but like I said, I came across this steering wheel. It was not expensive, and the fabric is my doing. I did the fabric myself to match this here. There's one problem. My car has a heated steering wheel option. This one is not heated. I came across this steering wheel, and this one is not heated either. But as you can see, this one is a really strange looking steering wheel. This trim here is really different from regular trim. This is one of those that I had on, well, I don't know why I have it, don't recall. That's what it looks like originally. It's a smooth, no texture trim, I guess. And this carbon fiber fake is a 3M Dynog. Really nice, but I don't really have any of that in my car, so I kind of don't see a reason to use it. This on the other hand, has texture to it, and it kind of matches the texture on the dashboard. And I don't actually know why it's like this. I've never seen any steering wheel like this, but I guess I liked it. This one has controls also, and it's got these thumb rests, I guess. And the leather here is it's got stitching here, so it's made out of 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, I guess. And this really looks just like my original steering wheel that I had, except it is manual again. There is no paddle shifter here, but there's a problem with it again, because it's not a heated steering wheel, and I really honestly don't know what to do with the heater. Not that I really need it, but since I have that option, it would be nice to have it, because the heater works really well. I liked it a lot when I had it. This was super cheap. This is OEM. Looks really nice. The leather and everything is just perfect. And this is all, as far as I can tell, OEM. Again, not reupholstered. And this leather is probably what BMW calls Napa leather, because you can see how texture of this leather is different from this. This texture of the simple basic steering wheel kind of matches what the dashboard is. Now this, on the other hand, has a bit more. This leather is smooth, and it has thumb rests, so it kind of looks more upscale version, I guess, of a steering wheel. So I'm thinking about switching this one to this one, and I guess I can either have this trim here. I don't know if I want this trim, or maybe I should keep this trim with the controls. I don't actually use controls, and I don't really like them much. So maybe I should transfer this trim to this wheel. I don't know. I'm confused a little bit. But otherwise, it's all the same shape and everything. Yeah, this one is a little bit thinner and has thumb rests, so it kind of feels nicer. Well, some people might like this, I guess, but I'm kind of like, I like this one. The point was I wanted to get the steering wheel with the thumb rest, just like the original was, with the heater and no paddle. But I so far have not been successful in finding that. So I honestly don't really know if this is a good option or not. But I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to put this one on, and I guess that should be it for now. I really like this minimalistic design with no, without any buttons. This comes off like this. What is that thing for? Well, so that's the steering wheel here. A really basic version, I guess. And then, is that the heater? That's probably the heater. In any case, this goes on like so. Like this. And that's what this one looks like. I think I like it. We'll plug this thingy here. Unfortunately, this one also doesn't have a heater. And that's really bad. Well, sad. Bad. Sad. I'm going to put this bolt in. Why I like this trim a lot was because this kind of reminded me of that E46 M3 with whatever CLS with the single button here. Something like that. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is not a how-to or anything. I have a how-to on the steering wheel. On steering wheels already I have those. So if you need to learn how to remove the steering wheel, different style steering wheels, then you should reference to that video. But in any case, this is nice. This is not as big in diameter. I like it better. It's just, and this leather is more of a like more of a smooth leather type of a leather. Kind of like it. Like it better, I guess. In any case, this all goes back. Like that. So there's a ground. Too many wires. This thing plugs in. What I'm trying to get the wiring, and then the bag itself. By the way, I need to really. There's a recall on the airbags. So there's a recall on the airbags, and I keep getting the letters, and I really need to get it. Take it to the dealership or schedule an appointment or something and replace this airbag. And the airbag goes back in something like that. So that's the wheel, that's the airbag. I don't know. Am I the only person? Am I the only one like that? Someone who who is never sure what is the best thing to do? Way too many options, and I don't like options. Well, this is the steering wheel now. I have, I guess, somewhat almost back to what I had. No, my steering wheel had a bit of a different type of a leather. I mean, the original with the paddle shifters. But this one has thumb rests, and this looks pretty nice. I guess this should be it for this video. I got my steering wheel replaced, upgraded. Is it an upgrade? It definitely feels better than the other one. Well, because this one is thinner and it has thumb rests. I guess that's what I like about this steering wheel. Thumb rests, and oh well, it is what it is. That should be it.
Bye.